Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix banner in Shopify store. So, in order to fix your banner on Shopify store, you'll have to first of all navigate to Shopify admin, then navigate to online store, then go to themes and click on the customize button appearing just right here. Here, you'll have to locate the banner or the slideshow section. You can see it is image banner section. Click here. Now make sure that a banner image is uploaded and correctly formatted. After doing this, click on save and refresh your page and that will instantly solve your problem. Now, step 2 to solve this problem is adjusting the banner image size. Shopify recommends a 2000 into 800 pixel banner size for full width display. If the image is cropped or blurry, resize and re-upload it. Use JPEG or PNG format for better quality. Step 3 will be checking the theme settings. In the theme editor, check if the banner is enabled, then adjust the height, width or alignment if it's misaligned. If you're using a custom theme, look for layout settings under the banner section. Now, step 4 will be fixing the banner on mobile view. So navigate to theme editing page, click theme customization and choose mobile preview at the top right. Here, you'll have to just adjust the banner settings to fit your mobile screens properly. So if this is your mobile screen, you'll have to make sure you adjust the banner according to the preview you are seeing just right here. Now, you can also use Shopify's built-in settings to enable separate mobile images if needed. Step 5 to solve this problem will be clearing cache and refreshing the page. Sometimes banners don't update due to cached versions. Clear browser cache or open the store in incognito mode to see changes. In order to do this, click on three-dotted icon at the top of your browser, click on settings. Now search for cache. Now on this page, click on choose what to clear. Choose all these and click on clear now. After click on clear now, your cache will be deleted and your problem will be solved. Now, step 6 will be checking for code errors. So in order to do this, go to your online store, then go to themes. On this page, click on three-dotted icon and click on edit code. After you do this, you'll be in your code editing section where you'll have to open the theme.liquid or banner.liquid file. So go to the search bar and type in theme.liquid, or you can also type in banner.liquid. Now here, you'll have to look for missing image tags or CSS issues. So if you're familiar with codes, just look for image tag issues or CSS issues. Restore to default setting if necessary. So try out these methods, and if the issue still persists, try updating your theme to the latest version. If you're using a custom theme, contact the theme developer or Shopify support for assistance. So that was the way through which you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.